What's the deal with Deal? Dawn Enrichment, Academics, and Leadership. Coronado Deal 2014. Deal is funded by a grant that Coronado received from the United States government and the Arizona Department of Education, called the 21st Century Community Learning Center. Deal is first and foremost intended to help students improve academically. We now have many Deal academic programs running on campus. That's why we now have tutors in the library Monday through Thursday through the Homework Help program. This is open to all Coronado students each day, Monday through Thursday from 2:30 to 4 o'clock. This is a list of all classes available through Deal. I'm going to highlight a few for you. First, don't forget that Mrs. Albrecht is in the library every morning from 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. every day of the week. Anyone can use the library before school. As mentioned earlier, Homework Help and Athletic Study Hall meet in the cafeteria and then walk over to the library for study time. For those who are taking SAT tests this spring or summer, we are once again offering Princeton Review SAT prep classes. Miss Wingett's class has already begun, but Mr. Roxborough will begin a session starting February 7th. If you are interested, please see Mrs. Prather for details. And if you already have a registration form, please be sure to return that to Mrs. Prather soon. Not sure where you want to go to college, how to apply to a college, or which career to choose? Deal will be sponsoring after-school college and career workshops with ASU, Grand Canyon, and Scottsdale Community College. And some field trips are planned as well. Deal isn't only about academics. It's also about providing fun enrichment after school for students. Think you'd like to be an actor? Come check out theater with Mr. Townsend every Tuesday from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Want to get in shape? The weight room is open on Tuesdays and Thursdays with Coach Holmes. You asked for it, you got it. We will have 2 new classes this semester based on last semester's student surveys. First, we will have guitar with Dr. Bennett on Tuesdays from 2:45 to 3:45. Next, we'll have art with Mr. Ray on Wednesdays from 2:45 to 3:45. We encourage you to attend both academic and enrichment classes. Do you have any ideas for other enrichment or academic classes? See Mrs. Prather. This is your program, and we're here to support you. Finally, for anyone who turns in a registration form, Deal is also partnering with the Federal School Lunch Program to provide a light snack after school to anyone who is participating in Deal after school each day. Did she say turn in a registration form? Yep. Because Deal is a government program, there are rules and procedures that we must follow, or we could risk losing the funding. We certainly don't want to do that. One requirement of the grant is that students and parents complete a registration form. This form will be kept by Mrs. Prather on campus. The form just lets us know that you have permission to be on campus after school. It's for your safety and the campus's safety, just like any other paperwork that is completed for sports or activities at Coronado. Another requirement of the program is that we must take attendance of all registered students each day. This is for safety so that we know who is on campus, but also so that we can track progress and attendance for students. That's why you will see sign-in forms on each table in the cafeteria. It is important to make sure that you sign in each day. Students who are registered and attending get a snack that day. That's why we meet in the cafeteria at 2:25. The federal government has made some very strict rules about the snack program. If we don't follow these rules, we risk losing the snacks. Please follow these rules in the cafeteria. Sign in. Take both drink and snack. Items you don't want? Put them on the sharing table, just like lunch. Place all trash in a trash can. Food may not leave the cafeteria. And wait for your coach, teacher, or club sponsor in the cafeteria. Please always show the CHS way. The tutors and teachers must make sure that students then go to the activity for which the student is registered that day. You don't have to register for Deal if you just want to go to the library after school once in a while to work on an assignment, check out a book, or study. But we encourage you to register if you'd like to receive tutoring on a regular basis, want to participate in other portions of the program, and want to get a snack before each activity. So there you have it. That's the deal with Deal. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Prather, the site coordinator, in the library. Thanks for listening.